it's Miss Ess. Are you ready to learn something fun today? I wonder what's inside our magic laptop today. Let's see what it has to share. Help me wake it up. Magic laptop jelly bean, take us to the learning screen. Here we are. Are you ready to become a reading superstar? Today we are learning sight words. Sight words are special words that we see all the time in our favorite books. Instead of sounding them out, we learn to recognize them just by looking at them, like magic. Our first word is the. Say it with me. The. Now, let's read it in a sentence. I see the sun. Say it with me. I see the sun. Again. I see the sun. Good job. Next word, is. Say it with me. Is. Now, let's read it in a sentence. This is fun. Say it with me. This is fun. Again, this is fun. Great job! Look at you with that genius behavior. Our next word is and. Say it with me. And. We run and jump. Say it with me. We run and jump. Again. We run and jump. Wonderful! All right, friends, here's our next word. A. Say it with me. A. I have a cat. Say it with me. I have a cat. Again. I have a cat. Very good. And now here's our last word. To. Say it with me. To. Now let's use it in a sentence. Let's go to school. Say it with me. Let's go to school. Again. Let's go to school. You did it!
Yeah!
Let's read them all together. Ready? I see the sun. This is fun. We run and jump. I have a cat. Let's go to school. You did amazing! Now, let's go back to the classroom. Magic laptop jelly bean, back to the classroom. 1, 2, 3! What a wonderful day of learning. I am so proud of you. And remember, friends, when you try your best, learn from your mistakes, and treat others with kindness, that's genius behavior. See you next time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be learning friends every single day. Bye!